Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add transition on your TikTok video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open TikTok. Start creating a video as you normally would by recording a video or by uploading from your gallery. Then tap on Effects option. Now in the menu, select Transition. And you'll see a variety of transition options. To apply one of these transitions to your video, move the marker on your video timeline to the point where you want the transition effect to start. Now tap on the transition you want to apply. You can also adjust your transition. If you make a mistake, you can undo it by clicking on white arrow button. Add as many transitions you like throughout your video. When you're done adding them, tap on Save option. Now click on Next button and you can proceed to post your video. That is how you can add transition on your TikTok video. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.